Ever wonder how your computer finds websites in just a second? You type a name like www.pizza4life.com. Hit enter, and boom, the page loads like magic. But behind the scenes, your computer is asking a very important question. Where in the world is this website? Today, we're going to uncover the secret system that makes it all possible. It's called DNS, the domain name system, and it's kind of like the internet's phone book. Let's break it down. Imagine you want to visit pizza4life.com. You type it into your browser and hit go. But your computer doesn't understand names. It speaks in numbers, IP addresses. So it asks for help. Who does it ask? A friendly helper called a DNS resolver. This resolver's job is to find the right IP address for the name you typed. The resolver starts its journey for find IP address for Pizza4Life. First stop, the root server. The resolver asks, "Hey, do you know where pizza4life.com lives?" The root server says, "I don't know exactly, but I know who's in charge of all .com websites." And it points the resolver to the .com TLD server. TLD means top-level domain. Now the resolver talks to the .com server. "Do you know where pizza4life.com is?" The TLD server says, "Getting warmer. Ask the Authoritative DNS server. They have the exact address." So the resolver travels one more time. It finds the authoritative server for pizza4life.com. Finally, the authoritative server says, "Yes, the address is 104.21.35.56. Mission complete." The resolver brings that answer back to your computer. Now, your browser can connect directly to the web server at that IP address. And just like that, you're looking at cheesy, delicious pizza on your screen. But wait, it gets better. Your computer remembers the answer for next time. It stores it in a cache, so you don't have to go through all those steps again. To protect against fake answers or hackers, we have something called DNSSEC, that stands for DNS Security Extensions. It makes sure the DNS answers are real and haven't been tampered with. So let's recap. DNS is what turns website names into IP addresses. It's made up of several helpers: the resolver, the root server, the TLD server, the authoritative server. They work together like a relay team to help your computer find the exact location of the website you want. It all happens in the blink of an eye. But now, you know what's really going on. Thanks for watching. If you liked this explanation, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more doodle-style tech videos.